Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ, and we were doing this series of Unlock Your Data with Data Cloud, and we are near towards the end of it. So this is the last section and the last module we are pending with it. All modules and everything we have covered, and it is under the playlist of Data Cloud, and the previous video which we have covered as part of this series, its link you can find in the description box as well. So without wasting any time further, we'll get started with this module. So it's a very basic module. If you are preparing for the data cloud consultant, then you should know that which section is consisting of what topic, and how many percentage it is taking. So we'll start with it, and we'll be very quick. We'll just follow up with the quiz. So our first is get start with the Salesforce Data Cloud Consultant Certification Prep. Let's come to the quiz. First question is, which exam section of the Data Cloud Consultant Certification is weighted the highest? Data ingestion and modeling, data cloud overview, segmentation and insights, and act on data. So B option should be the correct one. Second question is, which certificate is suggested prior to taking the data cloud consultant exam? So there is no 100% surety that you should do this, and there is no compulsion that you should do this certification. But yes, it is recommended that if you do Salesforce platform administrator, that is which is used to be known as Salesforce administrator, that will be helpful for you. So C option should be the correct one. Let's check. Okay, first one is incorrect. Weighted the highest. Let's go. Okay, so we are having segmentation and okay, so data ingestion and modeling is the correct one, A. So yeah, let's move on to the next unit, that is learn about the data cloud section. Yeah, so first question is, the data cloud overview section makes up the what percentage of the Salesforce data cloud consultant certification exam? So it is 18%. Second question is, which key topics does the data cloud overview section of the exam cover? First option is the available tools to inspect and validate ingested and modeled data. Second is data cloud's function, key terminologies and business value, and identifying typical use cases. Third is matching and how its rule sets are applied. And the last one is data cloud for reports, dashboards, flows, packaging and data kits. So B option should be the correct one. Let's move on. Let's go to the next unit, that is review data cloud setup and administration. So we'll go to the quiz again. First question is, the data cloud setup and administrator section makes up what percentage of the Salesforce data cloud consultant certification exam? So it is 12%. Second question is, the data cloud setup and administration section of the exam covers which topics? First option is timing dependencies that affect the data cloud lifecycle and the applicable use cases, basic concept of audience segmentation and applicable use cases, best practice for admin users to align with the requirement for identity resolution, and the last one is permission configuration, data stream types, data spaces, and the data analysis through a variety of tools including reports, dashboards, and explorer. So D option should be the correct one. Let's check, and it is correct. Let's move on to the next unit. It is explore data ingestion and modeling. So we'll go to the quiz again. Our first question is, the data ingestion and the modeling section makes up what percentage of the Salesforce data cloud consultant certification exam? So it is 20%. So it weighted the highest. Second question is, the data ingestion and modeling section of the exam covers which key topics? First option is common problems with activations including accepted and the rejected counts, errors, and not seeing related attributes. Second option is transformation capabilities, data ingestion tools, and the structured data to meet identity resolution. Third option is diagnosing and exploring data using Data Explorer, Profile Explorer, and APIs. And the last one is data actions and their requirements and intended use case. So B option should be the correct one. Let's check. Let's go on to the next unit, that is study up on identity resolution. And again we'll go to the quiz, and our first question is, the identity resolution section makes up what percentage of the Salesforce Data Cloud Consultant certification exam? So it is 14%. Second question is, the identity resolution section of the exam covers which key topics? First option is available data stream types, data bundles, and the configuration. Second option is data space applications and how they suit specific needs. Third option is rule sets in both matching and the data reconciliation and the outcomes of identity resolution and associated use cases. And the last option is available tools to inspect and validate ingested and model data. So C option should be the correct one. Let's check. And then we are having another unit, that is examine segmentation and insights. We'll go to the quiz, and our first question is, the segmentation and insight section makes up what percentage of the Salesforce Data Cloud Consultant exam? So I believe 18% is the correct answer. Second question is, the segmentation and the insight section of the exam covers which key topics? First option is common phrases with common problems with activations, including accepted rejected counts, errors, and not seeing related attributes. Second is the interconnected components compromising the data cloud lifecycle stage. Third option is fundamental segmentation concepts and their applications and scenarios for analyzing segment membership. And the last one is timing dependencies influencing the data cloud lifecycle. So I believe C option is the correct one. Let's check. And it is correct. Let's move on to the last unit of this module, that is learn how to act on data. We'll go to the quiz, and our first question is, the act on data section makes up what percentage of the Salesforce Data Cloud Consultant certification exam? And it is 18%. Second question is, the act on data section of the exam covers which key topic? First option is activation application, attribute utilization, and common activation issues along with data action use cases. Second option is bias and fairness, including the understanding of privacy and the data protection. Third option is importance of data quality to ensure good outcomes, including identifying appropriate data quality elements and data sets. And the last option is identifying where AI shows up in Salesforce and the benefits of AI as they apply to CRM. So first option is the correct one. Let's check. It is correct, and we are done with this module, that is Cert Prep Data Cloud Consultant. So if I'll refresh, we should be able to see this trail mix completed. And yeah, great. So this calls for a celebration. So yeah, we are done with this whole series. We have learned a lot about data cloud. We have done some hands-on challenges as well, go through a lot of theoretical knowledge, came across a lot of new terminologies about the data cloud, but we got a very better overview on this. So I hope you learned something with me, and if you did, please like it and subscribe the channel. And you can let me know in the comment section if you are maybe facing an issue anywhere, or if you want me to make video on any other topic on related to the Salesforce. So you can let me know in the comment section. And